Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. Today we are looking at Meet Your Match Dude. This is the Big Lebowski 9-piece puzzle game. Ages teen to adult, one player. Pieces double as coasters. This was put together by All Things Equal from 2018. Apparently there's only 9 pieces in here and you can only arrange them in one specific pattern. So let's open this up and see what we've got. It is based on the movie The Big Lebowski, obviously. Alright, there's this little flyer in here, along with how to play the game, a little instruction sheet. Pretty straightforward. It is double-sided. It's very thin, kind of cheaply made, and that's a little disconcerting. So let's take a look at what we've got. Alright, we've got pictures of the dude, Jesus, Walter, and Donnie inside the box, which is pretty cool. Nothing underneath, so no secrets. Alright, so these are really big pieces. These are really thick. Look at that. On the back we have quotes. This is the dude abides. And lastly, now I don't particularly care for this art style, but if you do, then it's probably pretty good for that style. But the pieces are really nice and thick, like really nice and thick. I don't know how much entertainment you're going to get out of this. So, is it worth it? To me, I don't know. I would have to say, if I was a bigger fan of these kind of puzzles, probably, but they don't seem to have a lot of replay value. It looks like a simple enough game to learn. It just doesn't seem like it's more than a novelty for the movie itself. So if you're a Big Lebowski fan, then yeah, this might be worth it to you if you like these kind of puzzles. But I don't know, maybe if you were drinking, it would be more entertaining. So it's probably not something for me, but if you like these kind of puzzle games, it's solo player. So if you're into that, it could be really fun, I guess. But the pieces are really nice quality for what you get. So that is what is inside Meet Your Match Dude, All Things Equal 2018. It looks like it's nice quality, but it's not something I would add to my collection. I'll probably just give it to somebody. So we've seen what's in the box. You've heard my opinion. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews and unboxings. If you want to help the channel in other ways, links are in the description and on the About page. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.